Did you know there are 7 incredible foods sitting in your kitchen right now that can completely transform your bone and joint health in just 30 days? Today, we're revealing the doctor's secret formula that has helped thousands of people reverse arthritis, strengthen their bones naturally, and regain the mobility they thought they'd lost forever. We'll uncover the shocking truth about calcium myths, the surprising bone-building power of specific vegetables, the ancient superfood that outperforms expensive supplements, and the one common mistake that's actually weakening your bones right now. Stay until the end because I'll share an amazing story of a 65-year-old grandmother who went from using a walker to dancing at her granddaughter's wedding. If this content is helping you on your health journey, please hit that like button, subscribe to Health is Trust channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our life-changing health tips. And let us know in the comments which of these foods you're excited to try. Let's start with the most shocking revelation that will completely change how you think about bone health. Everyone believes that calcium is the king of bone health, but here's what the medical industry doesn't want you to know. Calcium alone is absolutely useless without its essential partners, and the biggest culprit destroying your bones isn't age, it's chronic inflammation that's silently eating away at your bone density every single day. This is why millions of people take calcium supplements religiously, yet still suffer from weak bones and painful joints, because they're missing the critical cofactors that actually allow your body to use calcium effectively. The first miracle food that will revolutionize your bone health is leafy green vegetables, particularly kale, spinach, and collard greens. But here's the secret that most people don't know. These greens contain vitamin K2, which is like a traffic director for calcium, telling it exactly where to go in your body. Without vitamin K2, calcium can end up in your arteries, causing heart problems instead of strengthening your bones where you need it most. And just 1 cup of cooked kale provides more vitamin K2 than most people get in an entire week. Imagine the power you're unleashing when you make this simple addition to your daily routine. But wait, there's something even more powerful, and this is the second miracle food that will shock you. It's not an expensive superfood or exotic supplement. It's simple canned sardines or salmon with bones. These tiny fish are absolutely loaded with calcium, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D, all in one perfect package. And here's the mind-blowing part. Just 3 ounces of sardines contain more calcium than a full glass of milk. Plus, the omega-3s fight the inflammation that's destroying your joints, while the vitamin D helps your body actually absorb and use that calcium effectively. Now, let me reveal the third miracle food that ancient civilizations knew was pure gold for bone health. It's sesame seeds and tahini. These tiny powerhouses contain more calcium per serving than most dairy products. Plus, they're loaded with magnesium, which is calcium's best friend, working together to build stronger bones and prevent the muscle cramps and joint stiffness that plague millions of people. The secret is in how you consume them. Just 2 tablespoons of tahini daily provides nearly 25% of your daily calcium needs, plus essential minerals that most people are severely deficient in. Here comes the fourth miracle food that will completely transform your joint health, and this one will surprise you because it's often considered unhealthy. It's bone broth, made from grass-fed animals. This liquid gold contains collagen, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid, all the building blocks your joints desperately need to repair and regenerate. But here's the secret. You must simmer the bones for at least 24 hours to extract maximum nutrients, and adding a splash of apple cider vinegar helps draw out even more minerals from the bones, creating a powerful healing elixir that can reverse years of joint damage. The fifth miracle food is going to shock you because it's something most people throw away. It's the skin and connective tissue from chicken. When you eat chicken, most people remove the skin, but that skin contains incredible amounts of collagen and elastin that directly feed your joints and bones. Plus, it contains specific amino acids like glycine and proline that your body uses to manufacture its own collagen. And here's the amazing part. People who regularly consume chicken skin and connective tissue have significantly stronger bones and more flexible joints than those who stick to lean meat only. Now, prepare yourself for the sixth miracle food that's been hiding in plain sight. It's prunes. Yes, those wrinkled, dried plums that your grandmother always ate. Recent research has shown that eating just 5-6 prunes daily can increase bone density more effectively than calcium supplements. And the reason is incredible. Prunes contain unique compounds called phenolic acids that actually stimulate bone formation while preventing bone breakdown. Plus, they're loaded with boron, a trace mineral that's essential for calcium absorption and bone strength. The seventh and final miracle food is going to revolutionize how you think about bone health. It's fermented foods like kefir, yogurt with live cultures, sauerkraut, and kimchi. Your gut health is directly connected to your bone health through what scientists call the gut-bone axis. And when your gut bacteria are balanced, they produce vitamin K2 and help you absorb calcium and other bone-building nutrients more effectively. Plus, they reduce system-wide inflammation that's destroying your joints from the inside out. But here's the critical mistake that's sabotaging your bone health right now. You're probably consuming bone-destroying foods without even realizing it. Excessive sugar creates an acidic environment in your body that literally leaches calcium from your bones, while too much caffeine and alcohol interfere with calcium absorption. And processed foods loaded with phosphoric acid actually reverse the bone-building effects of all the good foods you're eating. So cutting these bone destroyers is just as important as adding bone builders. The timing of when you eat these foods matters tremendously. Your body absorbs calcium best when it's spread throughout the day rather than taken all at once. And consuming vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits or bell peppers, along with your calcium sources, increases absorption by up to 30%. Also, exercising within 2 hours of eating these bone-building foods creates a powerful synergy where the mechanical stress on your bones, combined with the nutrients, creates maximum bone-strengthening benefits. Here's another secret that doctors rarely share. Your bone health is also dependent on getting adequate sleep and managing stress, because chronic stress produces cortisol, which directly breaks down bone tissue, while deep sleep is when your body does most of its bone repair and regeneration. This is why people who sleep poorly often have weaker bones regardless of their diet. And incorporating relaxation techniques along with these miracle foods creates a comprehensive approach to bone health. The most powerful combination strategy is to create meals that include multiple bone-building foods together. Imagine starting your day with a smoothie containing leafy greens, tahini, and prunes, having sardines on a salad with fermented vegetables for lunch, and enjoying bone broth soup with chicken for dinner. This creates a steady stream of bone-building nutrients throughout the day while fighting inflammation and supporting optimal absorption. Before I share the inspiring story, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button if this information is helping you transform your health. And please comment below with your biggest takeaway from today's video. Now, let me tell you about Margaret, a 65-year-old grandmother who was told by her doctor that she had severe osteoporosis and would likely need a walker within months. Her bone density scores were so low that she was terrified of falling and breaking a hip. Instead of accepting this fate, Margaret decided to implement these 7 miracle foods into her daily routine. She started every morning with a green smoothie containing kale and tahini, ate sardines 3 times a week, sipped bone broth daily, and included fermented foods with every meal. Within just 3 months, her joint pain had disappeared, and she felt stronger than she had in years. But the real miracle happened at her 1-year checkup, when her bone density scan showed significant improvement, something her doctor said was virtually impossible at her age. Today, Margaret is not only walking without assistance, she's dancing at her granddaughter's wedding and inspiring everyone around her with her vitality and strength, all because she discovered the power of these 7 miracle foods and made them part of her daily life.